S5 na maji mokonya na yetumi treat mu yie ba apomwe
Aminata.
Kasade.
Aminata.
Good. Udin the same.
Lian Quentin.
Okay. Lillian.
Lian.
Okay. Inti Lian. Pedicure yeah ma no. Who feel same?
I feel very good. Auntie is really doing it for me.
Okay. Inti Lian say I feel very good na. Auntie so atu ne bo ase no ye ne kama ma no. O first time I we bi. Why Bridget, pedicure yeah ma no. Ekoni say.
Okay, I feel good. Nice.
O first time I wear pedicure.
Should have.
Why you be that?
That's nice.
Yeah, that's it pa. Okay. Apomwe.
Adom.
Udin the say.
Actually, from a Benes Fata.
Benes pedicure yeah ma no. Ekoni say.
Actually, I feel very comfortable.
And again.
I haven't seen a nice place. I like it in here.
Yeah, that's it pa. Udin the say. Mabel. First time I wear pedicure ni. Why that? Okay, now difference near day.
The difference, I say the near come up and a place and so very good and nice.
And Stroman, I just say yes, right. In fact, season 6 until the other one, a Mayo name, Memoa, Yabua, one, no, Yakupo, the much a dear woman, and no more cocoa grooming, African American Beauty Academy, and your pedicure, manicure, facial waxing, no cracker, no more jenica cracker. Now, in fact, this Sunday, no, edition near strong cocra, and ye be a matter of our schools are hodo. Schools are hold you say a lot of the headmasters name mistresses now are reaching out to us say I don't more opportunities or more than kwadani be ebeba abehwe nti e must select kwada be 10 and now 15 bi bo pese mo de mo ba enstroma show no abusua number no eni 0248 28 76 92 0248 28 7692. Mr. Weda screen nso so. Enti school fo nyina mpanimfo no e wasa wo frɛ number no. No wa register. Se kwasi adai ebia ye Mighty Jesus Academy. Eti Mighty Jesus Academy for ya boa ye ho. Ye de suafo makoma 20. E ba behwe nsroma. Wo frɛ no wa register na agya mu nkonwa. Adwuma ne mo na eye. Eti ye frɛ number no da screen so no. Monfa na monfrɛ ye na ye mombuki appointment na ye ni mo enhia. In fact, it was a nice session. Sister Sandy be a guide, no the guy is queen and na oni addition for no interacting. In fact, said the ayo more fe. Kwesi near me Daniel. Me say me nya 30 years na mu say ye more. We dem kwada kra na omutwi nantiri me nantiri na tete be sheet. Me nyine ya me nantiri na shine be sheet. Would you agree better to say yes. In fact, talent woman.
Baby, I'm a talent woman. A current quote to myself.
Quote to us, I'll be to me fairly and not homogem. But we, in fact, my Juma. My Juma pa.
Where's no more than clannies, them glad. Some pepes, no more yard no more streamings. I
say, oh, when you're more African American Beauty Academy. And yes, academy is so much idea. Then so much sign will be a year. Womu grooming, 2 person call pedicure, manicure, waxing, massage, in annual. On Bejibre, in fact, I was worth it. Hey, and I'm quite your bosses are. And I said, I don't mind you, no. Badum TV, the only so by now, my acquaintance, we say, yes, you're more acquaintance. Who better so fast, 20 no. In fact, I normal. And to say, I'm strong, season 6 in the Econi. Oh, to me, my hobby. Kwasi ada 3:30 sharp na ye frasi enti no atena o TV ho so 3:30 to 5:30 na ye de si Jerry Justice and Sister Sandy be a guy beginem na ya hwe nkwada ne performance na wo vote so vote for your favorite contestant vote because vote no na be kire baby akwada no ne ko enti enche ye de short code ni bibia e betu jado bon kwata na by online portal no eso nsem so ba kwasi me ba homachi me hu ade bi
yeah
ufra masaman na obetie si ofanko barrier on se kwan de mu chemienu ye wode kwase ho ekosi ofanko barrier roundabout ene ye wode fast road demu abesi new plan ho no ntumi nko left ntumi nko right na esan kwan no mu ye linti no de fa inner lane na ankasa na ayeketo abi nti ka mienu ntumi nwra ho anopa mi duro na abo 5:40 am na mi hu se trailer aseisi ho no pepepe baby ye fa wura no nti apart from saloon car sprinter kura ntumi nfa ho eti by now we di be 1 na we say 6 abo mi do 450 by now dem say traffic no a
se mo kwan na di
abuild no
de bestre
yesre wo mo minim so mo ti betuma to trailer no a
yes o mo ye ne se
wo do mo nkwachi nkwan ni mu kakra maye na kwan ni mu na ho because the kwan na mo ye ketwa
na ekwa bibi ensusu kura na ade
na ye den mesi baby ye wura pepepe o na otimi so ni nua nenam enti de die kire ne sei ye na de odi animu no so apaki
yes so no so ntimi
ontumi nkonya no na we hu se oil kakra gu kwan mo otimi so mo ye se fita for be fix but as at 4:50 am no na car bia betimi ni na bonsa ho sprinter kra ntumi mfa ne nchen bus ntumi mfa ne nchen trailer te se ono ntumi apart from ye saloon cars nketo yi so you can imagine yes re wo mo
Emma towing cars no
omo nkwachi wo omo ntwenkwa ani mo na kwan na no ho ne na ho kakra bi maye yeah online portal Bawumia's aide clarifies his departure from Akufo-Addo's policies. Let's leave the 2024 election on a date, not a day. Okay. Bawumia announces juicy package for creative art industry. NDC to respond to Bawumia's address. 6 tiny things that kills happiness in marriage. When him say na focus by man panyina be di chiri. Awo ye Franka Tunima MPP amanyoko Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia enra okasai. Until Bawumia speaks no. Finally he spoke. Enti no ebu nsem gwazi
Bawumia speaking.
Aye. Ti Bawumia ka say
Ti Bawumia speaking.
Ese no say obeyi levy afiri ho.
Yes. So obeyi levy afiri ho.
Obeyi levy afiri ho. And a betting so tax so obeyi afiri ho. And a national service so enye compulsory. Okay. But I know now so we 15% VAT na. Almost suspended. VAT no anka efiri ase e electricity so no.
In fact, o say nka sha ase kura na.
Say no say
implementation akoye issue kakra.
Issue so almost suspended.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they are still having discussion with IMF and other stakeholders. For now, no economy no enye Ghana dia.
Yeah, Debbie.
Yeah. It be be touch economy ni bia no. O say ni omo a yadane awrode amo.
Mo no esi hu ko
na ye convince omo ye.
Okay.
Yes.
Na di enti na omo ama Bawumia
anka de.
You know na o kasa wi ansa na judge na ye neba.
Oh, maybe, just maybe.
Because why Franka Tuni ya so ne bedi amanyoko na nimu de na me expect say at least omo tro ye na say commutation anti we ya ban anti we na nye campaign we bia
yeah Dr. Mahmood Bawumia eye party
no ye MPP
party e no mo address no as flag bearer of NPP.
Okay,
eti eye party ni di mu no gina ye ne oye na nura no
ba so obeka sa ye ka me say party no agina ye ne niema bi wo ho no mo no so na breso obeyi afiri ho eti nka we Ghana fo asu ya nka we afiri ho de wo say nka ye something positive ko betumi announce me ehunu so kakra ko mu ni niema afiri ho.
There's a difference between the government and the party.
Okay.
And no and Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye no wo ye party assignment.
There's a party adwuma.
Enya
aban no adwuma.
Enye aban no.
Into Okasa as flag bearer but not the vice president.
Not the vice president of Ghana.
Okay.
But because say party ni what chefa wo aban no munti. And onya akwanya recall some of the successes. Yeah, aban no aye. So for now so person take Ghana for the koyenim. Ni ehunu wo Bawumia as a person. Yeah, original on the ticket of NPP. Dem ehunu wo Bawumia, not the government.
Okay.
And into that, what land invasion no, I'm not saying the aid nekano. We're drifting away from Nana Adom Akufo-Addo led government.
Okay.
So now this is a vision of Bawumia led NPP. Yet to be born into government.
Okay.
So what you say? So say Ghana for begin to move here. Afe na na afe ba omi so be form government.
We dey obehwe na the policies no so implement.
For na ye ka say dem. The visions and the policies no Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, Commander in Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces.
Inti se mene wo na ye yade. Wo ye me panyi na me ye wasi anemu. Na ase ye mfa phone we. E ma KME.
Okay.
Na ye de phone na e PR na ye de phone no ama PR.
Yes.
Na e chiri me ba na me be ka say.
Wo ba beji phone na free PR.
Me ba meji phone na free PR nsem kire se bi na wo nim nyansa say. Wo de phone na e ma PR na.
Okay, Anana
me so na me kan na wantie na ade amane se me nya tumi no a megie free nsem because he doesn't deserve that.
Yes. Unse everything abeka I think some years back the late Alhaji Aliyu Mahama.
Yes.
The position of a deputy minister, positions of the vice president no. Say you specify anchre ejuma porte pa omo ya. It will be better for us as a country to say you must scrap him.
Because of man no
or Sergeant Takwame Nkrumah Alpha Vice President.
Oh, okay.
Because no Nkrumah yes I just so hwemu pa o mo hye dan dwumatitre pa o mo edi. Anytime be mukran so call for either the scrapping or reviewing of this Council of State.
Yes.
Because the question is just say ni nyina ekwakoye futu dia. Ewiase be bie no atwa so tu for chinchina memfa.
Tell na o kan paramfa.
Yes, it is a futu na. Oh, adwo be ma kwose futu, adwo ma kwose futu.
Nyansa ni mo ho.
That baby e keka ko ne. Say yentimi an specify adwuma vice president. Yentimi an specify adwuma deputy minister ebeya. Then it's better for us as a country to put it on hold because after all, Semampeni ni wo, vice president ni wo de mo a, you speaker of parliament.
Yes.
Speak anyone more, you will chief justice.
Yes.
So it means that the vice president Nankasano, Semampeni, anyone more, but yeah, Jumandia, then basically me a transfer, Serge Mandia, my speaker. Yeah, on already, all yet parliamentary duties that.
Yes.
So, because speaker bet me taking a bold decision on parliamentary duties. Yeah, a little bit effect on the executive. But the vice president, yes, man, penny one more. You are so limited to certain decisions. I'll bet me are taking, even at cabinet meetings, because yes, who can now you to man penny boss? Okay, and in Moji two mean, and let me vision no ancient. It really can cancel way. Obey.
Na ina economic team management team
the same advisory body na who's that your constitutional there be am forecast yenye bi no it's time sample be be ewo because advice most of the bodies they feel say omo be correct man pedi no omo decision na kwakwa advice na be to say National Development Planning Commission. Yejmeko Bako say a dream Ghana. And it's in position Ghana saying the next 50 years, this is where Ghana should be.
Yes.
But Bako Constitution may say, this is your taking now should be an advice to the president.
Don't mention
that is it.
You can only suggest. Next one two for the doors power.
Two for yes, Council of State 2 for NDPC 2 for Mampedebe the 2 for.
Me ba cho say okwa yi na asante mampon no a pese me kan wa advice team no advisory board no ana committee no tie nyina be tufu bia na na me aban na tua ye ka necessary futu nko ade futu na nyame adom
eti adwo yes ade empanfo ebra kan I believe say me no mo ya adwen say bra so say ye be nsakra bebre wo ya mambre
ne constitution
yes na enikwase koye futu nko na de mampani certain decisions be one should be binding on the president. Like parliamentary decisions be one more a binding on president. Say obeje atum go for now say man penny the budget e come na share your film. Number should for anya to there's no way some penny budget be adwuma.
But case san ka be adwuma ma vice president to make akra to do certain things.
That is it. Say me ya ye betimi holding nipa no responsible.
Okay.
So I'm saying.
Adwuma no kwa so man penny nko adwuma nyi.
Eh ha do mo ye.
Some boys were grounds.
So, for example, CSC Bema first lady, second lady allowance. What for? It should be specified.
So mukunu mo ne
no, there be. Ebetimi aba sebetimi man peni won ware. Emra ni mni baby aso be mampani oso ware ansa.
Ba wa ware nso kwa de oso yiri nya allowance.
Eti ameka say emra no so ni baby ase chinchira oso ware.
As the wife of the president.
Eti ameka say on man de nsika behwe mampani yire. Mampani abede ekire yira. O see specify say adwuma ben wo ye de am man nti. Abi ye man say nwanam.
There be na esi na be man na okoba no de ti beto no so kora say na fom.
There be.
On na mampani ni dwene ye o.
Enye no kore.
After a hard day work no.
No ye mumu fi asem.
And I know your wife's duty. Ti no na ni se be da agoman so.
Opa okuru be ma na aduane ni.
Ye hwemu ho.
Enye yasem. Ye nware okuru ma wo. So me tell.
Nti mane fa ne ka beto ye so.
Onti kwase o ka beto ye so de a.
E wase ye bu adwuma ma wo ye.
Adwuma ben na wo ye de ama ye nti a asoman. Ye yi kapra na se simple de free futuom. E de
abo ho ka.
Is it because onko wa futuo na okuru be fa na?
Say na ke de wa be council of state na e hu se wadwuma wo ye no.
Na yes because ajo say bebre konya sa de a nipa bebre fe form wo especially deputy ministers bebre wo no mu a ya me nipa nim nie o ka so wontwa tawu a based on what
there no onye
bebre wo
kwan so de ye bibia
me say last week or so na me ye adebu ministers so kwa deputy ministers no we ko no bi abuna konya Adom say
no onye dan
bibia no
ede na wanka de obetima ya ne se wakọ na ho akere na anim ne no afre ne se me be ya de o na me ho akere me na ne wafre ko wa ye ko bi ama ebetua ne ka
sika ediman meanwhile adwuma pote pa wo ye no as oman yenim
so mu di minister na chi
aye dey
na tore bi so mu meetings na meeting bi na minister betimi akọ na obi man so na wasoma no na wo kwa ba
ni nyina uwie na so minister kasa adwena akọje tu mememfa so a
nyansan nim
enko ba
e ka na wa bo man
that is it we was because accurate to card call so yeah specify mo no mo ye na sa eka gabre no ebedos
afi kura so de bi ye miensa ye
oh yes and I rose
miensa ne mienu
etimi yi deputy ministers miensa ba be ko na minister so kwa na ye adwuma edwuma ko line ni nyina wo ho nyina ko minister office
because education say because you were in charge of TVET
yes
and as any vocational
technical primaries a basic
asa na minister na nkasa
The Ghanaian Times. Government suspend 15% VAT on electricity. Comes with a picture of Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta. PAC orders 2 NI management staff members to refund 98,760.20 Ghana cedis SNIT penalty. Businessman remanded over $27,000 visa fraud, forging KMA letters. Improve road safety, prevent accident in Pasa Damba. Residents appeal to NRSA. Ghanaian Times, I don't know. Daily Guide. Baumia speaks. 1. Yield levy to go. 2. New flat tax regime. 3. Golden age for private sector. I'll reduce ministers, deputies to 50. Outgoing MC list projects. Agenda to reduce cost of living unveiled. Daily Guide. Daily Graphic. Okay, mama, government withdraws VAT on electricity. Minister tax central regional MMDCs to ensure peaceful elections. Baumia unveils next chapter vision. Private sector to power project. Yield levy to be abolished. Daily Graphic.
I was gonna say that one quarter na poso your online portal so nsem yedisi na ye ho aba na kaisa we kan sie mo nsem beba ho se petua lie komotwetwe bi wa me ye for say asem ni bedika nti asem ni bedika na ewi ampensem mu ato so bedwam so ni ye basese a